Hi everybody, Jackie from Dyetology. How are you today? I hope you're having a great Tuesday. So the reason why I'm doing this video is in November when it was the New Albany Come Together dance event for the New Vision Dance Company. I set up a booth and it was a great event, and I had a lady come in. She's cute as a button. Her name was Cheryl. Done up head to toe, cute nails, cute hair. I mean, matched. She looked so great, and she loved the scarves and was touching them and was like, I really love your scarves. They're so soft, they're so pretty, but I don't know how to wear a scarf. I was like, what do you mean you don't know how to wear a scarf? She's like, no, I don't know how to tie them, and unless it's an infinity scarf, I don't know how to do it. And I was just so shocked because I'm like, doesn't everybody know how to wear a scarf? But not judging, just kind of I guess I am so used to wearing scarves that I just thought that everybody knew how to tie a scarf. And in all fairness, I've had some other ladies come up to me at a show and they said the same thing. They just don't really want to mess with learning how to tie a scarf. So I think everybody should have to be able to tie a scarf. Hi, Roseanne, how are you? I want everybody to know how to tie a scarf. So I'm going to demonstrate today on one of our blanket-sarong scarves, and I'm going to show you how big it is. They're really nice, they're oversized, and I'm going to show you a few simple ways that you can wear it, and then I'll do a part 2 later where you can learn some new ways. I don't want anybody to be overwhelmed with the scarf tying process. So the first way, we're just going to do it very basic. Put it on, you're going to have one side longer than the other, and then wrap it around like this. That's it. So I think you can do that, right? Okay, second way, start with the scarf out in front of you, put it behind your neck, and then we're gonna tie it, so you're gonna have it around your neck, and then take the tails and tie it just once. And I love it. I call this the double stack. I don't know if it's a real name, I just made it up. I love it because when it's really chilly out, this feels great. It's really cozy up around your neck. So that's number 2. Still easy, right? Okay, so the third way, I'm gonna show you 2 variations of the third way. So get it in half like this. See, put it around your neck, and then all you do is pull it through. And again, looks great, super easy. So the variation on this is this way. Get it out, pull one leg through, twist your opening there, and then pull it through. And I call this a French braid because I think it looks great and it's twisted and it just has some great texture. And I'm gonna pull up my friend here. I tied hers like this, and you can see it's just a different way that you can tie it, and it looks great. So I hope that this helps. I would love to hear any questions that you may have, outfitting, scarf tying, you name it. If anyone is interested in what these particular products are, I'm gonna link them up in the description for you. So leave me a question, leave me a comment. I love to hear from you guys. So stay warm and dry, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.